If you want to efficiently drill clean holes in metal, you need a drill bit that's not only incredibly sharp, but one that's ground to precise tolerances. At a feed rate of 0.02 of an inch, every little bit of precision matters when it comes to how a drill bit is ground. Gavin Gear here for makingwithmetal.com. In this video, I want to show you one of my favorite tools, the Drill Doctor. The Drill Doctor is a great tool because you can sharpen small drill bits, large drill bits, broken drill bits, and you can even split point your drill bits. Using the Drill Doctor is very easy and straightforward. My Model 750, which is over 10 years old now, came with two collets. There's a small collet that covers 3/32 to 1/2 inch, and there's a large collet that covers 1/2 inch to 3/4. So it covers quite a wide range of different diameters of drill bits. To get started, just take a drill bit and insert it into the collet. You're going to need to hold it inside the collet and tighten the collet until there's a slight friction of sliding force. Insert it into the depth station, rotate the drill bit while you're pushing it against the depth stop. There's two little metal fingers that are going to align the drill bit appropriately, and then tighten the collet. Now you've got the depth set. Next is the sharpening stage. Insert the collet into the sharpening station and with gentle inward pressure, follow the contour of the cam. A smaller drill bit might require 5 or 8 rotations. You'll hear it lessen each time you turn. A larger drill bit that's beat up might require 20 rotations. And in fact, you might have to reinsert that drill bit into the depth station to get more depth and go back to the sharpening station to take off more material. Eventually, you'll have a mirror smooth finish and you'll have a drill bit that's going to perform really, really well. Additionally, you can split point your drill bits. Split pointing takes that dull chisel feature in the middle and cuts two cutting edges at 90 degrees, sort of perpendicular to the main cutting edges. This enables you to drill through metals without pre-drilling more easily. A few times, I've even restored broken drill bits with the Drill Doctor. Usually I start by cutting the drill bit to a clean cross-sectional profile, being careful not to overheat the drill bit in the process. Then I follow that up by grinding the drill bit to a conical profile of approximately the right angle, 118 degrees, 135 degrees, depends on the drill bit. Then it's a simple matter of following the same sharpening procedure, likely with multiple depth increments, where you add more depth, go to the depth station, go back to the sharpening station, and repeat the process. Ultimately, you'll end up with a drill bit that's going to perform just as good as a brand new drill bit. And if you need a shorty drill bit to go into a tight space or to act as a starter drill on a lathe, it's a great way to make that drill bit with something that you have on hand. So if you want an easy and cost-effective way to keep your drill bits sharp, try the Drill Doctor. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Finally, if you don't want to miss any of the action here on GavintooB and Making with Metal, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy metalworking.